Hello guys, my name is Ankita Patsute and my friends are Tanvisha and Megha Jadhav. So we have select one research paper and the title of this research paper is FPGA implementation of enhancement using Verilog HDL. Next slide please. The content of this research paper is introduction, techniques used in paper, methodology, innovative concept of paper, limitations of paper, result and conclusion. Next slide please. So the introduction of this research paper is image enhancement is the procedure of improving the quality and the information content original data before processing. Image enhancement widely used in computer graphics. Image enhancement refers to sharpening of image features such as edge, boundaries, and contrast to make a graphic display more useful for display and analysis. The flexibility can be extended into the field of digital signal processing. HDLs provide the main advantages of immediate field programmable language based hardware implementation. Field programmable gate array have traditionally been configured by hardware designers using specific so-called hardware design language SDL. Next slide please. The technique used in this research paper is image enhancement techniques can be classified into two categories. First one is spatial domain technique. In this, types of spatial domain technique have two operations. First one is point operation and second one is neighborhood operation. Second technique used in this research paper is domain operation. Frequency domain techniques, image enhancement in the frequency domain is straightforward. Further, it will be explained by my friend Tanvisha.
Okay, thank you, Ankita. So the methodology of this project, the Verilog language has the power to browse or write files from a storage setting. So the project is implemented on the FPGA by using Verilog, in which the hardware description language. The code is written in the Verilog, which is in the behavioral model. So it is describe the hardware. So in this feature, it is create it potential to significantly style to the test bench to browse the test information from the device, and it generates the simulate signal to the Verilog, its check module, and the write back to the result to the device. We need to image, but image file will be in .bmt file. So the extensions, this file is not reliable to the Xilinx software. So this is the block diagram of the system. In that, image is taken by the MATLAB and then it is converted into the RGB files. So it is converted into the FPGA and then it get to the external file, and it is give to the it is gain the output by using the RGB files. So the innovative concept of this paper, in this project we are using for four basic operation. So in that we are using the four operation. First one is threshold operation. So in that the thresholding operation are partially interesting for the segmentation in the process of the isolation of the object or image. So next is the invert operation. In that it is just inverting the intensity of the image by using the simple operation. Then next is a brightness of operation. In that you're just controlling the brightness of the image. Next is a contrast operation. In that it just expanding the contrast range by assigning the values of darkness pixel value to the black value. So next will be explained by Megha.
So thank you, Tanvi. This is the limitations of paper. Image enhancement is the process and image is in order that end result is greater suitable than original image for specific application like weather forecasting. Image enhancement techniques help in improving the visibility of any portion or feature of the image processing the information in other portion or feature. We implemented four basic operations of image enhancement as per explained by Tanvi, that are threshold, contrast, brightness, and inverse. Next slide. Are the result of this VLSI Verilog HDL code. The left side is the original image and right side is enhanced image. That is first image is original and the second image is inverted operation. Next slide. So in this image, the original image in enhanced with the brightness operation using sign value is equal to 0 and value is equal to 60. And next is original image is enhanced with black and white result with using threshold value is equal to 120. Next slide. This is the conclusion of this project. Image processor has been designed and implemented using Verilog HDL and simulated using iSIM from Xylene ISC Design Suite 14.3 and synthesized using Xylene XST with a lot of image processing creeping into the PDA and other handheld equipment. There is an urge for providing a specialized image processor. This work gives an insight into the most generalized architecture that can be customized for other image processing application too. Thank you.